Creative businesses love great design, but their systems often chaos, calendars, CRMs, DMs, email marketing, payment tools scattered across a dozen different subscriptions. So today I'm solving that problem in 10 minutes with a platform that brings it all under one roof. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome back to my channel where I share the tools that I use to build and grow brands, mine and my clients. Today's video is sponsored by HighLevel, but this partnership only works because I actually need this tool, okay? I'm in the process of consolidating platforms, and HighLevel is helping me replace and cancel at least 5 of them. It's very exciting. Let me show you how, starting with the dashboard. I'm starting with the dashboard. Now, not a ton to see just yet, but enough. I'm obviously new to this platform, but I've got to say, I expected something overwhelming. After all, HighLevel replaces dozens of tools, but what I found is actually really intuitive once you get in here. This dashboard gives me a quick, focused snapshot of what matters most, so things like conversions, leads, my pipeline, and scheduled appointments. Let me give you a quick tour of what you'll see first. Conversions, pipelines, marketing, automations, sites, and payments, all listed here in the sidebar. You also get visual reporting blocks across the top. These update automatically as new leads or deals come in. And even with a brand new account, I can already see how the layout is built for action, not just for show. For creative entrepreneurs, it's exactly what you want. Clean, customizable, and built to keep your backend organized. Nothing feels buried, no endless sidebar menus or layers to click through. I'm still getting this set up, but the clarity this brings is already helping me plan how I'll use HighLevel in my business. Here's my favorite feature so far: conversations. No more chasing leads across DMs, texts, and emails. HighLevel brings your messages, think Instagram DMs, SMS, email, WhatsApp, all into one unified inbox. You can tag contacts, assign conversations to team members, and schedule replies in advance. Each thread is tied to a contact, so you can see the full history across channels. So if I use Instagram for business, I can also connect that under settings, and then those messages show up here, tagged and ready to reply. If it's a new contact, let me show you that. HighLevel creates a full profile automatically. I can follow up instantly or even trigger a workflow from a message thread. This makes follow-ups easier, especially if you're handling leads from multiple platforms. Also, just generally, the layout is clean, the controls are simple to learn, centralizing your communication keeps things organized, and it increases your response rate for sure. Goodbye, Calendly. HighLevel's booking system is just as powerful and already included. It's so easy to create a personal, team, or events-based calendar for discovery calls, let's say coaching sessions, group workshops. Check this out, the system integrates with Google Calendar, and I love this, supports round-robin logic for teams. I've already built a calendar for discovery calls. I set my availability, buffer time here between meetings, and add a quick intake form. Here's what it looks like from the client side. They pick a time, fill out a few fields, and then it's confirmed. You can embed booking links on your website and drop them into emails and DMs. Everything lives inside HighLevel, no separate subscription required, because those get expensive. Gotta love it. CRM and Pipeline, oh God, the setup of this used to give me hives, but this has changed all of that. HighLevel's drag and drop pipelines help you track every lead from opt-in to book to closed. You can also build custom stages that match your exact workflow. Each stage is super easy to edit, rename, or reorder based on how your business operates. You can see here a simple pipeline that I built. New lead, discovery call, proposal sent, and closed one. I track deal value, drag leads between stages, and instantly see where things stand. Also, automation connects everything. Leads can move stages automatically when they book a call, submit a form, or complete an action. I'm not quite that far yet, but I'm excited to set that up. It's gonna save time, reduce follow-up delays, and keep your pipeline accurate. Now, let's create a lead form and connect it in an automated flow, all within minutes. Build custom forms using drag and drop fields, or start even faster with one of HighLevel's built-in templates. I always love starting from a template. The template library includes everything from a simple contact form to webinar signups, industry-specific lead captures, so let's choose one and customize it. I'll make sure there are fields for name, email, and dropdown to qualify the lead. Each field is fully editable. You can rearrange them, change labels, and set placeholder text. No coding required either. Once the form is ready, I can embed it on any landing page, website, or funnel with just a few clicks. Now I'll connect this form to a workflow. After someone submits it, they'll get a confirmation email, be added to my pipeline, and trigger an internal alert, just like I would have done with Zapier, but now it's all done in one place without a separate subscription. Zapier is also kind of confusing, and HighLevel isn't. Here's the automation builder. Every step is visual. The logic is easy to follow. If I need to test or tweak it, I can do that right here. This is where automation becomes really useful because it's simple to set up, easy to adjust, and built right in the same platform. So here's the big picture. HighLevel doesn't just give you the tools, it really gives you the systems. If you're like me, running multiple businesses, it's easy to get buried under platforms, but by moving everything into HighLevel, I'm finally taking control of the back end without sacrificing the front end. So I've linked to my affiliate trial below. This gives you 30 days instead of the usual 14 to try it out. You're welcome. Let me know in the comments, what tool are you excited to cancel? I'll reply to everyone down there. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. I've always got more videos coming soon on branding, automation, and tools to grow your business. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Thanks to HighLevel for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one.